regularly?
2 hours a day. Yeah.
Every day?
Yeah.
And before going to competition, this is your second international event. What sort of mindset do you have? Do you feel pressure or do you feel curiosity, excitement?
It's first a little scary, but then you get to like meet new people from all around the world. So yeah, it's nice.
Especially your father and mother are also bridge players, so it must be really helping you with that.
Yeah, there's a nice environment that way.
Johan, just 8 or 9 months since you've been playing bridge. How is it going for you?
It's been going well. First, when I actually began, it was just a bit difficult to grasp the sport. But as you begin reading about it, playing the game, competing with other people, it gets more. I mean, you can understand how other people play, and then that helps you to play your own game.
And with regards to your schooling, how has it been beneficial?
It's been good because actually bridge helps in. We have a chapter in maths in school known as probability. So the full bridge game is mostly based on probability. Hopefully that he has the card or he has the card. It's like kind of that.
Have you been playing in the local bridge events, and what has been your best memorable moments so far?
We played actually in a tournament, the Goa Bridge Festival, about just a week back.
Okay.
And that was actually my first tournament, first proper tournament. And we played against these two people, I think so, from Bangalore. And they reached a very difficult contract and we doubled it. Doubled means we said that they couldn't make it. And we brought them one down. So yeah, that was the...
How has the preparations been, especially of these youngsters here?
Well, as a pair, they have been working together on their system and on their defense strategies and even on their declarer play. So these are the different aspects of the game. And I think they will do very well in the competition, in this particular competition, where there are players from all different parts of the world. All continents are represented over.
How has it been, propagating bridge in Goa? What sort of feel do you get from the local circuit here? With regards to youngsters, are they coming in?
The Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports in Goa, especially its current director, Mr. Prudent, has been very supportive since several years for bridge, and ever since now bridge has become a priority category sport from Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, and they want us to emphasize in sub-juniors and juniors. The local Sports Authority of Goa has also supported us in a very great way. We have approached several schools ever since we had the Asia Cup Championships in June, and 2 or 3 schools from Kujira and Cameron School have expressed great interest in having the game as a club activity or as a zero-period activity from next year.
आमोणा सुपर लीगांतल्यान आमोणा गांवांत फुटबॉलाक बरीच उर्बा मेळ्ळ्या. आता ह्या ASLाचो तिसरो सीझन सुरू जावपाच्या मार्गार आसा. ISLाच्या मॉडेलाचेर पूण गांवच्याच भुरग्यांक फ्रँचायज पद्दतीन घेवन ASL चलता. उदेंत्या भुरग्यांक ASLात चान्स मेळिल्ल्यान तांच्या फुटबॉल डेव्हलपमेंटांत भर पडल्या अशी आमोणा गांवांत चर्चा चल्ल्या. हालींच SALाच्या तिसऱ्या सीझनाचें ऑक्शन जालें.
Minor strikers. Welcome, defender. Toss 60 points. It's a first ball. 100 points for Pakistan. First ball. 220 for Ashton. Defender. 630. 120.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.